Mata Di. Everybody is fasting, I think. Jai Mata Di. Jai Bholenath. I'm so grateful today you inviting me here on such an auspicious day for distribution of such a pious book, Sundarkand. Thank you very much, each and every devotee. As we know today, first day of Navratra. In Hindi, Nav means, in English means 9, and Ratra means night. So next 9 days and night are the magical days. You can regenerate your mind, body and soul. These 9 days are so amazing because if you see, entire nature, universe is in nine number. Numerologically, the number 9 is the one highest single digit. There are 9 planets in our solar system that affects us the most. If these 9 planets were not present, I don't think we wouldn't be present. And if you see, mother, when conceive a child, as we know, after 9 months, she delivers a new life. So these 9 days, we can regenerate ourselves, mind, body and soul. In South Africa, people generally celebrate Navratra as a once in a year. But in last 1-2 years, due to social media and everything, now you know, there is 2 main Navratras. One falls, that is popularly known as in South Africa, Ramayan Week. And this is the second one. But I'll give you one secret, there are 2 more secret Navratra, nobody knows. That is for highly spiritual people, astrologer, priest. For them, that is 2 more secret Navratras. Why Navratras are so important these 9 days? Because according to the scriptures, according to Vedic astrology, and according to our ancient gurus and saints, these 9 days, universe shower blessings. Only it needs your discipline to take it, to grab it. It's written in our scripture during Navratra, you can worship any form of Mother Durga. There are 9 forms of Mother Durga, again 9 number. And you can worship Ram, Sita, Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman also during Navratra. Or whatever your faith, any religion you have, you can follow and just connect to the highest level, connect to the higher consciousness, connect to the God so that your wishes can get materialized. And like I saw so many halwa puri and everything for Mother Durga, but personally I think if you appreciate your mother, first your mother must have halwa puri in her stomach, then Durga Ma will be more appreciated. There are 2 lady luck in your life, one your mother, one is your wife. You must respect both in your life. If you ask, according to the scriptures, male and female both are equally important in life. Both are equally important in spiritual, both are in same platform. Because this Navratra, during this Navratra, God and the nature always tells, He always respect the female, they always look after them nicely. If you see any God's name, if you take Sita Ram, Radhe Shyam, Umapati Mahadev, feminine energy of God comes first. If you see Ardnareshwar, Shiva and Parvati Ma comes first. But if you ask personally, female are more superior than male because they give life to the new, they give birth to the new life. So always respect your wife, your mother, and the female who are not working. Their husband mustn't consider lower to them because according to me, the female who are not working, they are more, have potential and more powerful than a male who working. Because the husband who works 8 hours, his duty finished, but the wife who is at home wife, after hours, weekends, look after your child, teacher, transporter, looking after everything. And the man cannot do. Men after 8 hours come home watching TV and everything. I'm not telling anybody is doing here. Because Indian males are somewhere they are shy in kitchen beauty. so, this Navratra, I want to tell you to take advantage. You can chant Mother Durga's Durga Sapshati, Devi Kavach, very powerful book. You can read Sundarkand, you can read Ramayan, you can read any Hanuman Chalisa, Sankat Mochan, to take advantage of this 9 days. Fasting, you're doing fasting, that is very good. But fasting is not only abstain from meat. Fasting is from your evil thoughts. Fasting, control your anger, control your ego. Try to accept everybody. It's about to acceptance. It's about to give love. This is the time I must control everything. Greed, your lust, your desires. This 9 days, that's the called real fasting. If you do fasting and if you have a desire, I'm doing fasting and food, I'm feeling to go fast, won't happen. So this Navratra is like 9 days full package to have. So Jai Mata Di for Navratra. Now I'll tell briefly discourse about Sundarkand. Because during Navratra, 9 days, Lord Ram also worshipped Mother Chandi, Durga Ma Part, so that on 10th day, on Vijay Dashmi, that is coming now, where Lord Ram killed the Ravan, demon Ravan. So during this time, reading in India, all the temples, Hanumanji temples and Devi Ma temples are flooded with devotees. So you can see this is the Sundarkand. Sundarkand is the 5th chapter of the Ramayana. It's the most beautiful chapter in the Ramayana. During Navratra, I wrote one article today. If you read Ramayana in India, what we do? Because in every family, sometimes you have an argument, something. So these 9 days, if you read Ramayana, complete on the 9th day, they will be full of peace at home, lot of harmony at home. So Sundarkand is the 5th chapter of the Ramayana. It is the most beautiful chapter. Can you see? This is an unusual picture of Lord Hanumanji. Hanumanji lives in this temple called Salasar Balaji. It's 3 hours from Jaipur. If you get chance, must visit this temple. Lot of South African devotees went this temple and their wishes fulfilled there miraculously if you have a righteous wish. So this Sundarkand is very, very powerful. The first 2 pages have a rules and regulations. Before you are reading Sundarkand, I'll tell you one thing. Devi and Devta, Durga Ma, Hanumanji, Devta. So Devi and Devta, if you have to worship with strict rules and regulations. Because they are very disciplined. So if you are reading Sundarkand, you have to follow these first 2 pages. It has a strict rules and regulations. Some other books you can read as your convenient. But if you're reading this book, you must read in one sitting. Until unless it's not in emergency. If you want a material benefits. This book's giving you Sundarkand giving you miraculous results in South Africa, in entire world, but especially in South Africa because I published it in English. God's grace, I became a medium and I published it. So by Hanumanji's grace. So if you read this book, if you have any problem, financial problem, people are not giving importance to you, you have a job, any problem you have, read Sundarkand, 21 days in a year, continuous, 51 days, 101 days, light a ghee diya in front of Sita Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman picture, and read it in one sitting, and say Hanumanji, I am reading this Sundarkand for this reason. When I was teenage or 20s, I used to read 1 or 2 hours a day. So I'm so blessed reading it. Because of this, today I can distribute the book. So this book is very, very pious. So don't take it because it's easily available. I am giving now. Take it if you want to read it. Lot of people can take it and they put in a shelf. It's a disrespect to the book, and my purpose won't sort it out. So per family you can take it. And if you're reading husband, wife after that and you can't share that, come to my office, I'll give you 2 books, I'll give you 3 books. But you must read it. And if you never read Hanuman Chalisa, then definitely you can't read Sundarkand. Hanuman Chalisa takes 4 minutes and takes 1.5 hours. So I will say, please don't take it. First, to please Hanumanji, you have Sundarkand, You have Hanuman Chalisa and you have a Sankat Mochan. And some people say Bajrang Baan. So I'm giving you Hanuman Chalisa as everybody knows, and this is Sankat Mochan. I made it in English. First time I'm giving to any temple. It is an extremely powerful antidote for all problems. If you can't read Sundarkand every day because it takes 1.5 hours, and for reading Sundarkand, you have to be clean and you have to be vegetarian for that day. Then you can read it. But Sundarkand you can read anytime, daytime, night time, no problem. Just read it. And believe me, there's so much miracle happen after reading Sundarkand in South Africa.